Hello unique divers, hope you guys are doing great. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this folded twisted autogele with rows. So without taking your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. For this tutorial, I'll be using a two-toned half ashoke. So I've already made my base. This is the V-face autogele base. To learn how to do it, go to my channel and look for this particular video. Once you click on it, you'll be able to learn how to make this V-face autogele base. So for the folded twist, if you watch closely, you notice that the twist there is folded. It's not just ordinary twist. The length of this fabric is 60 inches, okay? 60 inches length. And this is wadding. We call this breast part. This is the thick one. The thick breast pad. So I'll be using it for thickness. You can join yours if yours doesn't give you the length you want. So I joined mine, and this particular breast pad will be inserted inside this ashoke. Okay, so if you watch closely, you notice that I'm folding the edge of this ashoke. Please don't do this in yours. While doing yours, don't fold the edge just the way I'm doing. I later cut it out. When I wanted to attach my handle, I cut it out. So don't do this folding, okay? The length of this wadding is 57 inches length by 5 inches width. 57 inches length by 5 inches width. That's the length of the breast pad. And this is doll face. This doll face, I used it to cover the breast pad. The reason is this: when I folded this breast pad, the white, it's white, so it was showing through the ashoke. You understand? So I had to cover it up with the with the lining. You can get a lining or doll face, but I'm using a doll face here, and I joined as well because mine didn't reach the length I wanted. So you can join because nobody will see it. So the length of this doll face is 58 inches length by 5.5 inches width. So I'll remove this the breast pad and place it on top of the doll face. You understand? So this is how we're doing the placement. Remember I said you shouldn't hem the edge of your ashoke. Just ignore hemming it. Alright, so let me place it this way, and you can see how I'm doing the placement. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to start folding. Alright, so this is how it is. And next thing I'll be doing now is to start folding from the center of the fabric. I don't know if you get me, from the middle of the fabric. Guys, just watch and see how I'm doing this. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm Unique Nelo. I teach how to make different head wears. So if you love anything that concerns head wears, you can subscribe to this channel and you will learn more. For my returning subscribers, I love you guys, okay? And please, if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, like this video, and you can drop a comment on the comment section in case you have any question. And I have a WhatsApp group where we have different swim mates there. You can come over to this WhatsApp group and ask questions, okay? We learn from that WhatsApp group. So the link to the WhatsApp group is on the description box. Or if you're interested to join the WhatsApp group, comment interested, so I'll send you the WhatsApp group. Alright, so I'll pin down this way. You can see what I just did. Alright, then please, I won't fail to say this. After pinning, be very careful so the pin will not injure you. You can use your UH shoe gum or your candle gum to glue inside here. You can see what I'm doing, just to close up these lines, but I didn't do so though. I didn't do so. So let me teach you how to go about the folding. So just hold it this way and twist it. You understand? Twist it. So continue folding and twisting. That's what I'm doing. So I don't know how to explain the twisting again. Just twist with your hand this way. Roll it over and over. Just tighten it, not too much, not too loose, okay? Then the first way to make this to stand firm is use your needle and thread, okay, to do tacking here all through. This is the first way you can hold it to maintain this stitch. Just use your needle and thread to tack it, you understand, to sew it through, but don't allow your stitches to show. I don't know if you get me. Alright, so you'll be stitching down. This is the first method, though I didn't do this method. So I'll be showing you the method I used, okay? I've already placed my autogele base on my dummy head, and I've twisted mine. So I'll be showing you how I tacked this on the autogele base. So if you notice here, you observe that I've not tacked here. I've not tacked at all. I just placed it on my autogele base. What I'll be doing now is to use my long needle to hold this twist down to the autogele base before tacking. Okay, this is what I actually did. Just take your long needle, hold the twist to the autogele base. I first of all did the center and I did the sideways. So once you are done holding it, next thing we'll be doing is to hold the back part. I have not tacked yet. I just used that long needle to hold it firm, you understand? So I'll be holding it first of all this way. You can see the way it looks. The next thing I'll be doing now is to start tacking. I'll tack here, tack here. Then while tacking, remove your pins. Even if the pin is under, remove the pins, okay? Remove the pins as you tack. So I'll just tack round, and this is the outcome of mine. I've tacked. I ended up tacking round. So this folded twist was tacked round the autogele base. You can see how mine is neatly done. Alright, so next thing we'll be doing now is to cut out this excess part before attaching your handle, okay? So I'll be cutting out that part which I sew. I told you it's not necessary. Remember, I sewed that part. So I noticed that it was fluffy. I had to use my scissors to cut it out so it won't disturb me. So I'll be tacking this way. You can see the way I'm doing the tacking, right? Just use a needle and thread and tack it very firm and tight. Then after doing that, this is my handle. If you have been watching my videos, you know how to form your handle, okay? This is length 10 inches length, and I divided into 2. So after forming your handle, you'll be sewing it down this way. So this is the way I'll be tacking the handle here. I've been doing this on my videos, so I'll advise you to go and watch my other videos to give you guide on how to attach your handle. So for this other side, I'll be loosening it up with my scissors. Then I'll remove that breast pad there. Remember, there's breast pad at the tip. So use your scissors to cut out the breast pad. You understand? After cutting it out, you loosen out both the top one and the down one. Then once you notice it's flat, you tack same way you did the other one. Then cut out the excess part and attach your handle. So this is the outcome of mine. How do you see this, guys? If you've not liked this video, you reach this level, you're not doing me good though. Please support your girl. Even if it's to comment thank you, I will echo you're welcome. Alright, so it's remaining that top rose on it. You can rock your head gear the way you see it though, but I want to attach that rose. And the length of this rose is 20 inches. I cut out 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Please like this video. If it's helpful, like, I'm begging you. You can also comment, okay? Comment. So I'll be placing it on top of each other this way. First of all, place 4 pieces on top of each other. That's what I'm doing. Place it this way. Take it to your sewing machine and sew down. Just 4 pieces. Then after I'm joining the 4 pieces, I'll be hemming the edges this way. Just fold the edge into 2 and sew down. You understand? Whatever you'll be doing here, you'll be doing it on this side as well. Fold. Use your sewing machine and sew it down, and this is the outcome of mine, okay? All right, the remaining piece, that's the 5th piece, I will be placing it on top. If you watch closely, you notice that I've pleated the down part of this ashoke. I've pleated the down part of the ashoke, but the first part I didn't plait it. So I'll be attaching this remaining one at the tip, that topmost one there. I'll be attaching it there. So just fold the edge this way. Understand? Watch and see what I'm doing. Fold the edge this way. And same thing you did on the other side, you'll be doing it on this side again. You're going to fold this side this way. Just fold it in. Then take it to your sewing machine and sew round. Alright, so this is the outcome of mine. Remember I said I've already pleated the down part. I don't know if you understand me. So let's form the design proper. So I will just, because I already pleated, it's very easy for me, you understand? So I'll be pleating all through, but I'll leave the topmost part of it and I'll pleat from this side again. Just watch and see the way I do the pleating. This design is quite easy, but it needs your maximum attention. So lest I forget, I'm hosting a 1 month challenge for beginners. So if you love headwear making, you want to enroll as a beginner, you want someone that will guide you on how to start this business from scratch, I'll be hosting a 1 month challenge on this month of May, which will be starting on the 12th of May. So if you're interested and you want to join our WhatsApp training, I will advise you to comment interested on the comment section and I will send the link to you. Or go to the description box, you will see the WhatsApp group there. Just click on the link and join the WhatsApp group where I'll be explaining more about the 1 month challenge. I tag this 1 month challenge, get a hand skill. What is get a hand skill? Get a hand skill 1 month challenge is a training which I organize for beginners, people that want to start headwear business as a business or as a side hustle. So if you think you want to enroll in this tutorial, you want to enroll, you don't know where to start, you're confused, don't even know where to begin, you don't know the materials to buy, guys, I got your back. Within a month, you should be able to sew what we call headwear. Then within 3 months, you should be a professional. I, Unique, said this. So enroll in this 1 month challenge and get a hand skill for yourself. Gain financial freedom. So just type interested if you want to enroll in this training, or click on the description box, you see the link there, and join us. So I'm done forming this design and this is the outcome. So next thing I'll be doing now is to tack the edge here. Please, while doing this tacking, let your thread not show on top. The top people will be seeing, let your thread not show there. It can show under because nobody is going to see the underneath. You can see how mine is neatly done, and I'll be placing it this way. Just use the needle and thread and tack it on top of the twist and you are good to go. Guys, if not like this video, please like it and also drop your comment. You can say thank you or God bless you, ma, and you hear me echoing you are welcome and amen. See you guys in my next video.